It's been a long day at work, but it's not over yet. I still have to give you all some very important info. So my beard goes through a lot during the day. Dust and pollution from all the traveling kind of finds its way into my beard. And when it comes to your beard, you need a product that will not strip away the natural oils. Otherwise, your beard will become dry, frizzy, and susceptible to breakage and split ends. Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner provides you with a deep cleanse without drying out your beard hair. So let me just grab my go-to product and a towel, and I will show you a quick demo. Let's go. So I have with me Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner. I've already wet my beard. All you have to do is take a small amount of the product into your palm. Rub it well. And apply it to the length and breadth of your beard. Work up a nice lather. There you go. Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner is SLS and paraben free, so there are zero chances of skin irritation or dryness. All it does is keep your beard fresh, soft, and smelling fantastic. It also contains wheat protein, which aids in cleansing, unclogging of the hair follicles and nourishing the roots. It has vitamin E, which helps seal in the moisture in each strand, resulting in stronger, smoother hair. As you can see, my wild, uneven, irregular beard has turned into a soft, clean one after the application of this product and is now completely frizz-free. Here's a quick before and after demonstration for you guys. From this to this. Let's address some FAQs which I usually get asked a lot. Here's the first one. Absolutely. Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner is a mild formulation with no harsh chemicals and is perfectly suited for sensitive skin. Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner is specifically formulated for beard hair, whose properties are a little more different from your regular hair shampoo. So your results may vary from here to here. So SLS or sodium lauryl sulfate is a detergent that even in small quantities can irritate your skin, and parabens are chemicals that are widely used as preservatives in the personal care industry. Now both these chemicals are harmful to your skin and overall health, but don't worry. Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner are totally free of these chemicals. Alright guys, we've now come to the end of the FAQs and also to the end of this video. I hope you've understood the importance and the usage of Bombay Shaving Company's Beard Shampoo and Conditioner. Don't forget to check out our other videos on complete beard care, and if you have any other questions, you can write them down in the comments below and we will try and answer them in the next video. Until then, beard on.